Hi, my name is Kolade. I'm a product advisor here at Erin Park Toyota, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new ISO dynamic seats on the TRD Pro Tacoma. And if you're wondering where you can find this pump, well, don't worry. It's going to be in your glove box right here, ready for you to use, okay? So one of the accessories that you get with the TRD Pro is the air pump for the seats. So I'm going to show you that right here. So inside, we have a digital air pump right here. So it's actually really cool because at the end of the air pump, where you put the air pump on the Schrader valve, it actually has a ball joint. So it will never crack, never rip or anything like that. And it can actually be used for, bikes and other purposes other than filling up the seats. So you just put this on to the fitting on the seats and pump it. And it will give you a digital readout of the PSI right here. So we're going to show you right now. So we have our pump, our Toyota supplied pump. Now we're going to attach the pump Schrader valve end to the actual Schrader valve right here. So we're going to unscrew this. And we're going to screw this on, like so. Now, one thing to notice, I want you to take notice of, is one side is directional. So this side is up and down movement, and this side is side to side movement. So this way versus up and down. Never mind. So that's what we're changing right now. So there's air in the seat going this way and air in the seat going this way. So we're going to change the PSI to make it softer or harder. So now we're just going to add air. So here we are. So right now we are at 66.0 PSI. Now, if you want to let air out, we're just going to tap this chrome dial right here, and it's going to release the pressure. So I'm just going to see where we're at. So we're about 51 PSI. So 51 PSI going this way. And then if you go to this guy here, that's going to be this way. So left to right and up and down. So we'll change the other one here. So also to take note, there's a minimum PSI and a maximum PSI. So we're going to show you that right now. Pressure of the gauge. So we have a minimum pressure area, and then it goes all the way up to about 160 right here. So to be safe and sound, we're going to pump it up to about, let's say, 80. So for road use, that's what you want it at right there. So now we'll move on to the other side, the other valving that deals with the left and right movement. Before we actually pump this up and show you the PSI in this, we also have a toggle right here that I want to talk about. So right now, when you switch it to the left hand side, that's the off-road side. So it's just changing the valving in the seat. If we put it back to the right hand side, we're in the on-road use. So right now, changing the PSI in both is changing it for the on-road use. If we switch it back over to the left-hand side, that'd be off-road, so it'd be a little bit different. So that's what we can do here when you go on the trails, okay? All right, so I'm just showing you the right side here. So this is for the left and right position. So you have a max PSI of about 60 to 70 PSI for the max on the left and right. So we're just gonna pump that up to about 40 PSI. Right there, perfect. So, just to have good, stiff left and right movement, we're gonna have it at about 40 PSI, okay? So that is how you use the new 2025 TRD Pro ISO dynamic seats. Please give us a call. If you want to book your next Tacoma, we can definitely help you out. Have a great one.